Don't tell me you're gonna cut me off. Fuck. Stupid. Fucking stupid. Very, very dumb. My god. And then it gives a look to the jeepney, like the jeepney is in a wrong. What the fuck is wrong with you? Oi, can you say apologize? Yeah, but no. You say apologize. Fucking piece of shit. Huh?
Which is nicer? The right or the left one?
The white one is good for the brake. The left one is good for the style.
Right.
And the left one I like. Was it glue? Was it ruby? Was sniffing? I think so. Ooh, you fucking idiot. Dynamo. Stupid camote. Almost got smashed by a Oi! Oh yeah, watch please. I see it close to me. Thai look PCX is nice though, the color is nice. Go a bit further, I can try. I like the style. I like the style. I wouldn't do it, but it look good. Yeah. You're so a dick for being in the middle there. You know they're turning around. Just don't be a dick. Hey, F you, bitch. You motherfucker. Okay. Wow. Alright, let's go. That look good, man. That look very nice. I'm impressed. Can I go there? I can go there and turn on the white. Nice, very nice car. Kong TV doing a video. No license.
Yung number po, sir, dyan.
I don't have number, ate.
Sir Chip, pwede ba yun? Pangalan lang?
Kasi lang po ng license din. Shopping lang po din.
Ano po?
Yung license po. Mamaya mo po bayad ng license lang po.
Are you serious? Fuck. Huh?
You pay later. You just have to show your license. You don't have a number.
Just stolen motorcycle anyway. Hey. I only want to park. Patay. Potoy. Shit. I lost it. Do. Bobo ko. Bobo ako? Bobo ko. Stupid.
I'm willing to die for this shit. I'm ready to flip and end up in prison the rest of my life for this shit. So my mama ain't want me, she got an abortion, I end up surviving this shit. And if I want a son, I ain't got the money, I'll probably be robbing this shit. Don't know how much I cry for this shit. Said I'm willing to ride for this shit. You know murder's my hobby, inside of my closet's a bunch of dead bodies and shit. Niggas said that I'm cursed, cause I go to church and stare at the Bible and shit. Shorty say I'm the worst, cause I do my dirt, and I don't be hiding this shit. Bitch, I'm a savage, I spit at you bastards, I wonder what you gonna do to me, oh. I need to hear someone rapping, I'm just not impressed by your cash and your jewelry, oh. All you my soldiers, and I'm a lieutenant, goddammit, you should be saluting me, oh. I hope you know I ain't going nowhere, all you rappers just better get used to me, ho.